Comic book soldiers, you already know what's about to happen. Stay tuned for the video. Reggie here, your friendly neighborhood bodybuilder and comic book collector, and I want to welcome you to another one of my videos. As you have already surmised, it is time for a CGC unboxing. This box arrived earlier today. I have been waiting on this one for a while. We are going to open it up. We're going to see what's inside. After we do that, we're also going to take a look at some other books that are sitting here on my desk that I picked up at the local comic shop earlier today. So this is going to be a double unboxing, if you will. Most of what I have sitting here is actually from New Comic Book Day. So I'm going to open this one up and see what goodies are inside for us. And I currently have a couple of orders from CGC that are actually en route to me right now. And I am hopeful that all of these orders will be in my possession in a matter of days. So fingers crossed. So I have the invoice here. We'll chuck that. Make sure that there's room here on the desk for this magic. So the first one out of the box is an awesome book. It is Batman, The Killing Joke. This is actually the second print, 9.8. I actually had, I think it was like 3 or 4 of The Killing Joke first print already that I had sent off to CGC and got those back. But this is a second print, 9.8 white pages. Really, really awesome book that I've actually enjoyed reading. So that's the second print. Let's see what else we have in here. Wouldn't you know it? second print. I do like the pink on this one. So set that off to the side. And the next one, this is a first print, and this is the right grade, I do believe, for this one. 9.6. This is, again, first print, white pages right there. This one definitely had a little bit of some things going on with it that prevented it from being a perfect copy like some of the others that I had sent in previously. Next up, we have another one of those. Another Killing Joke first print, 9.6, white pages right there. Set that off to the side. And I'll tell you, the previous owner of this particular collection that these books came from was definitely a Batman fan and went incredibly hard on Killing Joke. I have found so many copies of this in the collection. It's incredible. This one is a 9.4. Again, not as perfect as some of the others that I've had, but still not a bad grade for that particular book. And this is one of the ones that has the like a cardboard cover. Really, really hard book. If the book is not perfect, there's not much you can do about it. I actually had somebody reach out to me earlier today asking if there was a way to like improve the book. And honestly, because of what these books are made out of, if the book's not perfect, it's pretty tough to get a high grade for these. But here is the last one that is in this bin. It is another 9.6 first print right there. So nice little stack of 9, what was it? 2 9.6s? Yeah, 2 9.6s, a 9.4. Nope, more than that. Let's do this the right way. 1 9.6. There is another, and then, okay, so there's 3 9.6s, a 9.4, and then 2 9.8. So there you go. All right. So that's the end of that box. And like I said, I have some other orders that are en route, so fingers crossed that they arrive in a timely manner. So I want to actually show you guys some books that I picked up at the local comic shop. But before I get to that, I actually want to give you all an opportunity to win a really awesome book from my friends over at Go Collect. And what I will say before I give you any details, I am going to encourage you to remember that the Go Collect giveaway is like Fight Club. And what I mean by that is that we don't talk about the Go Collect giveaway in the comment section. So if you are watching this and you haven't really, been around the channel and don't know how to enter, it's okay. It's okay. But what we do is we don't talk about the giveaway in the comment section. We don't say nice giveaway book. We don't ask where to put the phrase, right? I'm going to give you the details on how to enter the giveaway right now. And if there is something that is unclear, if you search for Regie Collects Go Collect, there are videos here on YouTube that will actually show you the entire process. And then if you still are unable to figure it out, and that is actually okay, feel free to reach out to me and I will explain the details to you. And you can reach out to me. I'll give you that information at the very end of this video. But this giveaway is really designed for those people that take the time to actually watch the content that comes out from the channel. It is a thank you from myself and Go Collect to those people that watch the video. So that's why we don't talk about it publicly to say, hey, here's the video with the Go Collect giveaway, right? Don't ruin your own odds by actually doing that. So the book is this book right here. It is Carnage Mind Bomb #1, red foil cover, 9.8 white pages. This is this week's Go Collect giveaway. These books typically are valued between $150 to $200. Sometimes they go a little above, a little below, depending upon the book. But this book fits quite nicely into that range. People love some carnage, so that's why I decided to do a carnage book. So the criteria for entering the giveaway is that you have to be a resident of US, a resident of Canada, or have a mailing address in the United States. You have to be a subscriber of the channel. That's another criteria. And essentially that's it. It's just not a whole lot that we put around this because, again, we want it to be a reward for those people that take the time to actually watch the videos. So essentially what you do is you watch the videos, and in one of the videos that comes out sometime between Monday and Friday, there will be a phrase that I will give you. You basically take that phrase. Once you have it, you head over to the community tab. You find the post that I put up where I'm talking about this week's giveaway, and you know it's the current one because there's a link that's there. You click that link, you go to MailChimp, you plug in 3 pieces of information. 2 of them are relevant to you, and 1 of them is the phrase that I would have given you in the video. And I'm actually going to give you the phrase here in just a second. If for some reason you cannot find the community tab, again, if you search Regie Collects Go Collect giveaway, I will give you all the details around how to actually find the community tab. If you are using an iPad, you will not be able to find the community tab. For some reason, iPads do not render the community tab. Do not ask me why, because I do not know. But you may have to change computers, refresh your browser, all of that kind of stuff. Change your device if you're on an iPad to be able to see it. But you head over to MailChimp, you plug in that information, and then you basically tune in to the Ready, Set, Go preview show, which is a show that airs every single Sunday night at 7:30 p.m. Pacific time. You do not have to watch the show to win. You do have to watch the show to find out if you won, because I don't reach out to people to say, hey, you won the Go Collect giveaway. It is the winner's responsibility to watch the video, to identify that they are the winner, and then to reach out to me to claim their prize, all right? So if you don't watch the live show, and I guess, I know that it's late for some people on the East Coast and in other countries, you just have to watch the replay, and then you have 1 week to claim your prize. If you do not, it actually goes to the next person on the list. So hopefully that helps. The phrase is... let's go with Mark Bagley. Mark Bagley is this week's Go Collect phrase. 2 words. Mark Bagley is all that you need to do to plug in, and you can now be in the running for Carnage Mind Bomb #1. All right, so with that said, I want to show you guys a couple of books that I actually picked up from the local comic shop earlier today. One of them is this really awesome cover right here of Resistance, issue #5 from AWA. I read this earlier today. AWA and specifically the Resistance continue to impress me. I am reading more and more titles from AWA. I've continued to read the Resistance. I am enjoying what I'm reading from the publisher as well as this specific book. Unfortunately, we are on issue 5 of 6. I don't know what comes next. I think they're also coming out with a series called Moths, which might be a continuation of this, but essentially the Resistance wraps up in one more issue, and I am honestly saddened by that because I am really enjoying this one. I also picked up A Web of Venom Wraith, and while I actually talked about some leaked images from this 2 weeks ago, so I kind of sort of knew what was going to happen, I still enjoyed the read. This was still a well-written book by Donny Cates. I enjoyed the story. I enjoyed the art. I enjoyed the mystery of it because not everything has been revealed. But this one is a good book. It was a good read. I have not yet read X-Force issue number 12. This is one of the Dawn of X titles that I've kept on my pull list. Have not read it. I am looking forward to reading it because X-Force is dope. I am not reading it certainly because of the crossover with the Ten of Swords. I am actually not reading that crossover event, but X-Force is really, really good. I inadvertently bought this one, the Wolverine Heroes at Home. I did not realize, I think that this is actually a reprint of issue number 5. I already have issue number 5, so I kind of bought this one, and I really don't know why. It was truly an accident. I saw it on the shelf. I was like, oh, I don't have that book. Didn't pay attention to the number, and ended up buying now a book that I have already. Marauders 12. This is another book from Dawn of X that I am reading. Some Kate Bishop action there. Love this book. Love, love, love this book. Enjoy it. I have not read this issue, but I'm looking forward to reading it. And then the very last book that I picked up is this dopeness here from my buddy Mark Bagley. Who does not love a little Mark Bagley Spider-Man action? So Amazing Spider-Man issue number 48. I have started to try to read Spider-Man again, specifically this Sins Rising. It is better than what has been the last 30 issues. It is better. Not great, but better, and maybe, just maybe, we are headed in a direction of Amazing Spider-Man getting awesome all over again. So fingers crossed on that. With that said, I'm going to wrap this video up. I hope that you guys enjoyed my CGC unboxing, my haul from the local comic shop, and also the reveal of the Go Collect giveaway book. Right there. So again, if you guys are interested in entering the contest, you now know how to do it. You also will in a second, if you've never entered, know how to reach out to me if you have questions. If you all enjoyed this video, I want to encourage you to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment behind so we can mix it up in the comment section. If you need to reach out to me, you can do it in one of two ways. On Instagram at Regie Collects or via email at reggie@regiecollects.com. Take care. Oh, I should also mention that all of the books that were shown from CGC minus the Go Collect giveaway will be available on my website, regiecollects.com. So if you are interested in picking up any of these awesome Killing Joke books, that is where they will be posted.